You must have 2 aluminum bars, 4 end mounts, and all other necessary mounting hardware inside the box. The most important thing you need to do before starting to installation is to line up the bars side by side and check their lengths. Most likely, you will notice that one of the bars is longer. If so, you should use the longer bar for the front of the vehicle. Remove the protective sticker from the aluminum bars. Another factor to pay attention to is that the rubber surface should face upwards. You must see the aluminum bars from the window here. If needed, you can adjust the length, but do not move it further than the number 3 line. If you push the end mounts down while inserting the bars, the process will be easier. Insert the R-signed end mount to one side of the bar and L-signed end mount to the other side. Make sure that thick side of the bar is facing forward. Clean the points where you will place the crossbars and place the product. The recommended distance between the bars is 27 inches. First, tighten the vertical screw by 50%. Then, move to the other side and tighten the vertical screw there by 50% as well. Next, return to the previous side and tighten the vertical screw there by 100%. And finally, tighten the vertical screw on the other side completely in the same way. Repeat the same process for the other bar. Lastly, tighten the top horizontal screw on all 4 sides, put the covers on and lock them. Shake the bars in order to check that your racks are securely fixed. Safe travels! If you have any concerns about the installation or missing any parts, please contact us before returning the product.